Let us introduce our latest product, a waterproof connector. This waterproof connector is from KEL's FWS series and is of the smallest classification in the industry. A lock mechanism prevents the connector from disconnecting. This mechanism also provides for secure mating and eliminates semi-fitting. The FWS series is IP67 compliant and protected from ingress of water and dust. Its 4-point contact is designed for high connection reliability. A stable connection is achieved through contact with the independent spring mechanism, regardless of the situation. The FWS contributes to the reduction of the number of parts through the crimp contact of the same shape for the plug and receptacle. In addition, the crimping applicator can be shared. Assembly is completed by simply inserting the contacts into the housing. 5 types of products are available: 2, 3, and 4 pins for the 1-row type, and 6 and 8 pins for the 2-row type. 3-color housing is available in white, red, and black. A dummy pin can be selected as an option considering the intended application. The FWS series improves visibility and workability with 3-color housing. The FWS series has a branch relay type connector, FWSB. A branch connection can be made by mating the plug connectors. And is appropriate for applications that need to be waterproof and compact. The FWS series is a unique product that can be used for applications that require high reliability and miniaturization. Please consider it for your needs.